Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain you about Near Geranium reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from the site or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this site, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. Guys, people from United States are curious to know about this particular website, and if you want to know about this particular website, then stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular website. It is an online shopping site that deals with multiple products, guys, including the smartphone screen magnifier and harvesting thumb knife, universal adjustable phone holder, 3-second bloom napkin folder, silicone bath towel, and various other products including finger guard as well. So the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, and if you want to visit a product category list or a particular product, then you need to click on this product. So guys, they are offering these products at cost effective prices. Now when it comes to the payment information, the modes of payment that are available on the site are PayPal, MasterCard, American Express, and Visa. So talking about the shipping information, guys, you need to click on the shipping policy page. So this is the shipping information page, guys, and here they have mentioned the shipping duration, which is 12 to 20 business days. So rest you can read for your knowledge and convenience. And before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But when it comes to the domain information, it was created on 10th of November 2020. But the site can't be trusted on the basis of its domain age only. So let's check out the contact us or about us information. So here is the about us page, and they have provided copied or duplicate content, which is a negative sign or one of the biggest drawbacks of this particular site. So this is not a good sign, guys. Coming to the contact details, you need to check the contact page, and here they have provided email address or official address, but address seems to be suspicious. Apart from that, the email which is available on this page matches with the domain name, which is a positive sign, but we can't trust on these contact details as they have also not provided the contact number as well. So coming to the social media factors, guys, the site has no social media presence because these social media icons are misleading and inactive. And when you will click a particular social media icon, you will be redirected to the homepage of your particular social media account. So this is again a negative sign, and it makes the site quite suspicious. Now coming to the return policy of this site, guys, they have provided return policy page, and 14 days of return policy they have mentioned. So do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And coming to the guys, talking about Near Geranium reviews, no reviews are available about the site on the internet, which is a negative sign, and this also makes the site quite suspicious. Apart from that, I would like to inform you that the trust index score of this site is 2%, which is really very bad, guys. It means that the site is not much popular online or has too low traffic, and it comes with unknown trustworthiness score. So based on the discussed loopholes or drawbacks, we can say that the site appears to be scam, or guys, based on the entire loopholes, uh, this these loopholes are led to believe us that it is highly suspicious site or possibly a scam, and you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.